Hello students, welcome to Eduauraa. Myself Professor Dnyandeo Salgaonkar and we will be taking the previous year questions of coordinate geometry.
If the line 2x plus y equal to k passes through the point which divides the line segment joining the points 1, 1 and 2, 4 in the ratio 3:2, then k is equal to, and the options are A 29/5, B 5, C 6 and D 11/5. This question has came in AIEEE 2012. I know the line 2x plus y equal to k divides the join of 1, 1 and 2, 4 in the ratio 3:2. So let's just make 2 points, that is 1, 1 and this line, this point is 2, 4. This is point A, this is point B. Let the line which is what? 2x plus y equal to k cuts the AB at ratio what? 3:2 according to given condition. Let this be the point P, which is what? Alpha, beta. Now first we'll get the coordinates of P and then we will substitute the point P in the line to get the value of K. So I know point P divides the join of A and B internally in ratio 3:2. So alpha is equal to, by internal division, 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1 upon 3 plus 2. So it will be 8/5. Similarly, beta will be 3 into 4 plus 2 into 1 upon 3 plus 2. It will be 14/5. Hence, we know the value of alpha beta, that is 8/5 and 14/5 respectively. Now, the coordinate of P will be 8/5 and 14/5. Understood? Now, this point P lies on the line 2x plus y equal to k. It means this point P will satisfy the equation of line. So 2 alpha plus beta will be equal to k. That is 2 into alpha will be 16/5 plus, instead of beta what can we write? 14/5 is equal to k. 16/5 plus 14/5 will be 30/5 and 30/5 will be 6. So the value of k is 6. So the option which is right is option C. Understood? Moving further to the next question. Next question is the x coordinate of the end center of the triangle that has the coordinates of midpoints of its sides as 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0 is. And the options are A 2 plus root 2, B 2 minus root 2, C 1 plus root 2 and D 1 minus root 2. This question has came in JEE Main 2013. Now the given midpoints of the triangle are 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. So plotting those points on the graph paper will make a triangle. So the sides of the triangle will be 2, 2 and root of 2 square plus 2 square. It will be 2 root 2 if I draw those triangles. So now we'll construct this. So this is your coordinate axis x and y. First midpoint is this, that is 0, 1. Second midpoint is this, that is 1, 0. And third midpoint is 1, 1. So this is your midpoints. So now the triangle will be like this. This is your required triangle. So this will be point 0, 0. This will be point 2, 0. This will be point 0, 2. So now the sides of triangle will be 2, 2 and root of 2 square plus 2 square. That will be equal to what? 2 root 2. So the three sides are 2, 2, 2 root 2. And the x coordinate of in center will be 2 into 0 plus 2 root 2 into 0 plus 2 into 2 the whole upon 2 plus 2 plus 2 root 2. It will be 4/4 plus 2 root 2. So the 2 is common. If I take 2 common, it will be 2/2 plus root 2. Now on taking rationalizing term, I have to multiply by 2 minus root 2 in the numerator and in the denominator. It will be 2 into 2 minus root 2 and the denominator part will be 4 minus 2, that is 2. So this 2 will get cancelled. So x coordinate will be 2 minus root 2. So the option which matches this is option B. Understood? Moving further to the next question. Next question is the two circles x square plus y square equal to ax and x square plus y square is equal to c square, where c is greater than 0, touch each other if option A modulus of A is equal to C, B A is equal to 2C, C modulus of A is equal to 2C, D 2 times the modulus of A is equal to C. This question has came in AIEEE 2011. Now accordingly, the given equations of the circles are x square plus y square minus ax equal to 0 and x square plus y square equal to c square. Touch each other. Now the diagram will be like this. This is your coordinate axis x and y. Now the circle x square plus y square is equal to c square will be a circle center at origin, because it is the standard form of the circle, whose radius will be equal to what? C. Whose radius will be equal to C. And the circle which is what? X square plus y square minus ax will be the circle centered at a by 2 comma 0. Understood? So this will be the internally touching circle. Understood? So consider first we are taking for internally touching circle. If it is internally touching circle, then we know this total length is C and this length is a by 2. So C minus a by 2 of modulus will be equal to a by 2. That means C is equal to a by 2 plus a by 2. That means C is equal to A. This is for the first part. I know C is definitely greater than A. Therefore, modulus of A will be equal to C. This is for the internal touching circle. Now consider if the circle touches external. So the diagram will be like this. This is your first circle, that is x square plus y square equal to c square. Now the second circle, the center is a by 2. So let this be a by 2. So this is the circle. This length is c. This length is a by 2. So if the circles are touching externally, so c plus a by 2 will be equal to a by 2. So C plus a by 2 will be equal to a by 2. Now a by 2 will get cancelled. It means C equal to 0. Now if C is equal to 0, but according to given condition, C should be greater than 0. It means C equal to 0 is not possible. Therefore we discard the second condition, that is for external. So the circles are touching internally and with modulus of A is equal to C. Understood? So the option which is correct is option A. Moving further to the next question. Next question is equation of the ellipse whose axes are the axis of coordinates and which passes through the point minus 3, 1 and has eccentricity root of 2 by 5 is. Options are A 5x square plus 3y square minus 48 equal to 0. B 3x square plus 5y square minus 15 equal to 0. C 5x square plus 3y square minus 32 equal to 0 and D 3x square plus 5y square minus 32 equal to 0. This question has came in AIEEE 2011. Now I know the equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. Now the point minus 3, 1 lies on the ellipse, then it must satisfy the equation of ellipse. So it will be 9 upon a square plus 1 upon b square equal to 1. So on further taking LCM, it will be 9b square plus a square is equal to a square b square. Take this as equation number 1. And also we know the value of eccentricity is root of 2 by 5. And we know the formula between b and a. It is what? B square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. So b square is equal to a square into 1 minus, instead of e square I can write it as 2 by 5. So 1 minus 2 by 5 will be 3 by 5. So b square will be equal to 3a square upon 5. Understood? Substituting b square is equal to 3a square upon 5 in the equation number 1. So 9 into 3a square upon 5 plus a square will be equal to a square into 3a square upon 5. So now I will take a square common. So if I take a square common, it will be 27 upon 5 plus 1 is equal to 3a square upon 5. Now a square will get cancelled. 27 upon 5 plus 1 will be 32 upon 5 is equal to 3a square upon 5. 5 will get cancelled. So a square will be equal to 32 upon 3. And also I know b square is equal to 3a square upon 5. So it will be 3 into 32 by 3 upon 5. So 3 will get cancelled. It will be 32 upon 5. So the equation will be x square upon a square, which is what? 32 upon 3, plus y square upon b square, which is what? 32 upon 5, equal to 1. So on further solving, it will be 3x square plus 5y square equal to 32, which means 3x square plus 5y square minus 32 equal to 0. So the option which correctly matches this is option D. Understood?